Christopher Ward, C65 Aquitaine automatic watch. Main features are case size is 41 mm. Dial color is marine blue. Case material is stainless steel. Case color is silver. Bezel color is blue. Case height 12.45 m. Lug to lug 46.68 m. Case weight is 70 gram. Product weight including strap is 95 grams. Water resistance 20 atm 200 m. Power reserve approximately 38 hours. Number of joules are 26. Complication type date. Vibrations or frequency is 28,800 per hour. 4 Hz. Timing tolerance plus to 20 second per day. Lume SLN X1BL cone. Strap size is 22 m. Strap material vintage leather, oak, strap color camel. 26 joule self-winding mechanical movement. Anti-shock system brushed and polished light catcher steel case. Screw down display case back.